Students, today we are going to begin with our next topic in LibreOffice Calc, that is subtotals. Now what is subtotal? It is a feature through which we can group our data and we can use the functions like sum, average on that group data. Now where it is available? It is available in the data menu. In that data menu we have the option subtotals, and after clicking on subtotals the window will open where we are going to select a field. So through which field I am going to group the data that I need to select, and then which fields I am used to create the subtotals, right? It can be rate, it can be any numerical value on which subtotals can be generated. And there are further groups. I can group it in one group and then further do the grouping. So let's see practically how we will do this in LibreOffice Calc. So you can see that I have already created a sheet in which I have a field, serial number, date, item name, company, rate, quantity and total. So what I want to do is I just want to group the data according to the item name. It means in that particular week how many monitors have been sold, and in that particular week how many keyboards have been sold. So I want to group the data according to the item name. So how we will do that? So first we will select the whole data and then click on the option in the menu bar, data. So you can see data is there, and there we can find out the subtotals option. So select it and then you can see subtotal window is there. Now it is asking me to group the data by which field. So it is selected item name. So I want to select it with the item name and I want to create a subtotal. So I have already tick marked it. So you can tick mark it again, rate, quantity and total. And what I want to do on that items or on that field is sum. By default sum function is selected, but I can also do count, average, maximum, min, product, right? These functions can also be applied. So this is my first group, item name, and I am going to subtotals on these particular three fields and then click on OK. Now you can see it is being grouped on the basis of the item name. Right, so on the item name CPU, so CPU have been sold on 3 dates, and then it is being totaled here. You can see the subtotals are created here. So 4500 plus 4500 plus 4500, it is giving me a subtotal of 13,500, and quantity it is also totaling, and then total it is also creating a grand total of CPU here. Then you can see this is the CPU result. Similarly, DVD result is there, keyboard result is there, monitor result is there, and mouse result is there. So you can easily see that the data have been grouped on the basis of item name. So I hope it is clear that I have grouped the data on the basis of item name. I have one more sheet over here, subtotals. So you can see almost the same sheet is there, but here the dates are different and serial number is not there. So let's do the subtotal based on the date, that on particular date which items have been sold. So now I am going to group it on the basis of date. So clicking on data, then subtotals. This time I will select here date, and obviously the columns which I want is rate, quantity and total, and then click on OK. So you can see here date wise I have done the grouping, that on 1st June what are the various items that have been sold, on 2nd June what are the various items have been sold, and then the grand total is also there. So this is how can we group the data using subtotals. I hope the video is clear to you and the topic is also clear to you.